central Texas, southwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, northwestern Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glen Rose to near Iredell, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cleburne State Park around 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cleburne, Meridian, and Lake Pat Cleburne around 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Whitney around 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Walnut Springs, Morgan, Eulogy, Rio Vista, Rainbow, Copperhill, Retreat, Brazos Point, Chalk Mountain, and Lakeside Village. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.